Okay, so my computer has been doing this weird thing where I will leave it overnight sometimes. Sometimes this will happen right after boot up, so I don't know what the trigger is. But I'll leave it overnight, and I will come back, and I will try to use it. So if I left click on the screen, nothing happens. If I right click, everything is normal. But if I left click on a program that I already have open, it will ask me, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? If I right click on it, it will pull the app up as normal. If I try and click on any of the links within the app, it will open it in a new browser or a new tab, which is probably best if I'm offline. I can interact with most of my desktop normally, but if I double click on an app, it'll pop up in the start bar. But if I left click, it's just like, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I am not pressing anything on the keyboard. There's absolutely nothing being pressed. If I go to the on-screen keyboard, it says there's nothing being pressed still. If I right click into this browser and I try and scroll using my scroll wheel, not touching anything on the keyboard, it will zoom out or it will zoom in. I don't know why. I'm completely baffled at this point. I don't know why it's doing this. If I try and search in the Windows 11 integrated search bar, typing on my keyboard, nothing happens. It is as if I am I'm typing, but nothing is happening. It's like I'm pushing tab a bunch, but there's nothing there. If I open, I have a dedicated key on my keyboard that I can just press and immediately bring up the task manager. But I have no idea what's triggering this. I don't know if I need to look for something that's going on. My computer, memory-wise and everything, is fine. Nothing is going on. It's not pulling anything from any of the hard drives or this is the usual amount of memory that I'm using. It makes it very difficult to do anything. If this has been going on for a few months, sometimes rebooting my computer will stop it, or temporarily stop it for a little bit, but I have no idea what the trigger might be. Sometimes if I sign out and sign back in, that will stop it from going on. At first I thought it was like a sticky control key, but if I hold down control and then try and interact, it just comes up with a whole bunch of stuff. It does this, it's rapidly scrolling up and down very, very quickly. I don't know why. If I hold down Control, it does the same thing. If I hold down Control Alt, the screen flashes, but I don't know what that would have done anyway. I'm just lost. I would like to use my computer normally. I do not know what is causing this. This has happened with 3 different keyboards. My Cidoo ABM066 keyboard. It's done it with a Corsair gaming keyboard. It's done it with my Dvorak keyboard. So I really don't think that it is keyboard based. Anything that's going on with the keyboard. I was experimenting with macros when I was playing Helldivers and using Razer Synapse. That was I tried to set up a macro so that I could click a button on my mouse and it would do a stratagem, which includes holding down Control and then pressing buttons on the numpad. but I have since deleted that macro. I don't know why. I don't think that that is the cause. I'm just trying to cover all my bases. I don't know what's going on, and it's driving me insane.